Hi, my name is Christian, and for the past 18 years, I've been living in the beautiful freezing cold state of Alaska, a place I once used to call home. While I've made so many happy memories here, the long dark winters and sub-zero temperatures became, well, annoying. So I've traveled almost 5,000 miles and a new chapter in my life begins. The Sunshine State, Florida. And you know where I had to go first. To the beach.
Yeah. Wait. Just wait. They claim they want beef like I ain't in a teed up. I turn them to vegan. I'm really a creature. She sent me the beacon. I beat it and flee it. They talk like these niggas won't beat me. They can't. I'm somewhere tucked off. I'm laid in the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it. I'm jaded. My latest, my greatest. I ain't ever caving. They see me. I'm him. I'm a gym in the soil. It's by the time. I've been after mine. I'm one with the culture. They more like a gimmick. I'm pushing the needle. I'm leaving the key in. It's running no meter. I want me a boy and I need him to see me. Yeah, I know it's my season. My family the reason I be who I'm being. Solid. Lately I pushing the needle forward to the people that knew me and traded sides. I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at a dole, I've been taking mines. Get scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're reaching towards. Don't even know what you're reaching for. I really went from wearing rags on me to his racks on me. First class, they ain't got a pat on me. Let the chain dangle, bitch, I'm raiding the mainframe. Turn my pain into paint on the canvas. I've been a head case, Ben Frank only right, I get Ben Franklin. Burn 2 ends of the candle. Won't be the first one, get rich in my family. They don't understand me, I used to be nice guy. Till the world told me cold, now my guard up, I'm far, don't trust nobody. Now she never did want me, she talking real naughty. Nah, I ain't sorry, been slept on, they groggy. I'm really bout it, I'm off the cloud and it's I'm real rowdy. I'm going off, had no chances. I do not answer to anybody. Amped up, put my stamp on the canvas. I'm ramped up. Me, my dog, just went tandem. I do this for life. They just post for the camera. They scrambling, they not me, they rambling. I want me a mansion. I know it's my season. I'm go to the stanza. I'm somewhere tucked off. I'm laid in the shade and I'm counting mine. Still ain't made it. I'm jaded. My latest, my greatest. I'm solid. Lately, I pushing the needle forward to the people that knew me and traded sides. I'm up now, don't hit me to make it right. I'm at a dole, I've been taking mines. Get scared of the heights that I'm reaching for. Don't even know what you're
Cocoa Beach.
Cocoa Beach.
It's hot. Like what? 95 degrees? Are we out here? Yay! Alright. It's beautiful out. There's a little bit of algae in the water, but it's all good. It's all good. It feels nice and warm.
Wait.
Oh my god. So we ended up coming to the lake here in the city that we're at just because the beach had a lot of algae. So here we are, playing a little bit of volleyball, hang out, have some fun, and watch the sunset. Alright y'all, and that is a wrap for today's beach day vlog. We are ending the night here. Bye! Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next time. Peace. Subscribe, comment, and follow for more.
Can we redo that one?
Yeah, let's redo it, bro. No.